Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video after a while, coming out of almost like a month-long sickness, but still have a lot of recovery to be done. So yeah, but I'm getting better now. So I'm going to start making videos more often now. Now, this is the chart. I'm making this video about the yen index. And the next week, we have a possibility of a lot of yen trades. So let's get into it. This is the chart, a yen index weekly chart I made on the 2nd of July and gave it to my subscribers. Now, you notice that I pulled the fib from here to here to find out what was the extension level. And here we have 127 touched, right? Just like retracement levels, two levels are very, very important, 61% and 78%, and in between that. So that's kind of like a zone, right? Reversals, not reversal, I mean retracement zone. Similarly, extension zone is between 127 and 161% of the move. So this is the first time if you hit 127 level, you have 80% chances of a retracement or a reverse from that level. And if not, then you go to 161%, and then you have 95% chances of making a reversal or retracement. So here I had it that, okay, we might be going down. So what happened last Friday, we have NFP, then NFP numbers came out bad. So US dollar indexes start to drop. If we go and take a look at the US dollar index, maybe I have it here. Yeah. So you see this one, this is not the detailed chart. This is a simple plain chart. But you can see here that this is the last week candle of US dollar index weekly chart. The whole week was bearish, and even Friday after NFP numbers came out bad and it started to go down. And I think that we might be coming down to 61% of this whole rise, right? A, B, and C, right? So now if this one keep coming down, that means US dollar index is going to get weaker. Now, nowadays, what's happening is the US dollar index and yen index have inverse correlation, means one getting weaker than the other getting strong, right? So this one is getting weaker, then that means that yen should be getting strong. So what really happened is that if you can see yen index, the chart that I made, that we might be making a turn from there. That's exactly what happened. Let me show you here. The current chart is this. You see that 127, and boom, this beautiful bearish candle, engulfing bearish candle. We posted last week, right? And not only that, but also see this monthly chart. The highest point we had on this yen index is 67.88, right? So we went above it, but now coming down below. So we now are just below 67. This line, white line, is 67.88. So we are below this number, and we ended up the week below this number. So and you can see here it's a nice big move to the upside, and the highest point was breached, but we came back below 67.88. So now if the US dollar index keep getting weaker, then this will getting strong. Keep that in mind, that yen index is just the opposite of all the indexes. All the other indexes, when they're going down, they're getting weaker. Like US dollar index is going down, and you will see that US dollar will be getting weaker. Now, yen index is also made a bearish candle, but this means that yen index is getting strong. Yen index is just the opposite of all the indexes. Yen index going down means yen is going to get strong. So this is what's happening here now. So I predicted that 127 might be the end of it, and it may just drop, right, from there. And that's exactly what happened after the NFP. And that whole last week is bearish and below 67.88. So I think that we're going to be going down 66.44 first, maybe, and then I mean this one is first, 66.94, then 66.44, and then maybe all the way to 64.78 as a retracement. If this is 38%, even if 38% you're talking about, then we must be coming down. It should be coming down to 66.44. Now, if yen start to get strong, then all yen pairs will be going down, because yen is always on the right-hand side of each and every single yen pair. For example, USD yen, you can see that USD is getting weaker after NFP. Yen start to get strong, and look what happened here. Nice, beautiful, this move, impulse move, A, B, C correction, and then beautiful powerful candle. This is a daily candle, Friday candle here, right? That's what's happening here. Euro yen also start to come down. Pound yen, all these are daily charts. This Friday start to come down here. Aussie yen, you can see that start to come down, and CAD yen, big, nice black candle here, right? This could be like A, B, and then C all the way down. And all yen pairs will be, you will see this bearish candle here after the extension. This is what I was talking about. That first extension level is 127, and then second is 161. So if you don't make the turn from first one, see this one here, it tried to make the turn or a retracement, but it went up again because of the yen weakness, and then all the way went to 161. Now it is posting a bearish candle, and more to come to the downside here. Nuzi yen also, last 2 days, bearish candles, powerful bearish candles, and also divergence. So this one is coming down. So you see, all yen pairs already started to make the down move. And as yen index continue going to the downside, they will all be going to the downside. Here is the key. So remember, yen index 67.88 is a key number on the 80-minute chart or a 40-minute chart. You can watch the 33-minute chart, that how nicely it is going to go down. And on the 7-minute or 20-minute chart, whatever you're using, I use this 20-minute to see if we are bullish or bearish, right? So we were nicely bullish. You see that? Big move to the upside. If you look at the index, how easy it is to get the trades in yen pairs, right? It was all bullish here, and then nice move up, and then again beautiful long setup, and then boom, all the way to the upside. So yeah, I am looking forward for strength in yen index, and all yen pairs should be going to the downside. That's what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so let me see final this one. Yeah, okay. So this is yen index plain chart. This is exactly what it is, 67.88 white line coming off of 127, and at least 38% of this should be no problem. 38% would be, I'll say, right around here. Okay. So this is it for now. If you have any question, email me, and I will post the chart on my Telegram. The weekly chart, maybe this one, right? It's very simple, but I'm still gonna redo it, the date change the date and all of that, and then I'll post on the Telegram for my subscribers, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. The next video I'm going to make about US dollar index after NFP, what happened and what we're supposed to be watching. All right. So bye for now, and hopefully I'll make the other video in a couple hours.